CooperVision is a contact lens manufacturer. We are the second largest contact lens manufacturer in the world. The key for us was achieving certain productivity standards when we put the facility together here. It was a greenfield site. We were really looking at all the various candidates. There were several other candidates in play. Intelligrated came forward as the main choice, primarily because of our previous experience with them. During the actual testing phase and the implementation phase of the project, there was a very high presence from Intelligrated on site. And I think that was one of the keys to our success. There were dedicated people who were out here for a number of weeks at a time as we tested quite a bit of the software and hardware. And particularly there was a lot of tuning work in a real-time system of this complexity. And with this much demand being placed on it in terms of real-time transactions, to get the timings right and to be able to handle the routing of totes correctly and so forth. And it was very key that they were here and present to actually observe that rather than trying to do that remotely. We integrate and we actually work with the customer tech support group quite a bit. And I think that's actually one of the things in terms of the selling points of Intelligrated that we've really been impressed with is that compared to a number of other vendors that we have on various systems, we get a human being when we call Intelligrated, and we get a response regardless of the level of issue almost immediately usually to help us with our problems. And from my perspective, compared to other vendors that we've worked with, the Intelligrated tech support, especially the software tech support, is excellent.